my channel. I am Sania Aman and today I have got to you as promised a jewelry collection. Oxidized silver jewelry is the latest trend now. Never fails to give a stylish statement whenever we wear it. I have got my own jewelry collection and I'm gonna share a lot of tips like how you can style your oxidized jewelry as well, giving a example of my jewelry which I have owned. So without any further ado, let's get started. So here is the first piece I'm gonna show you. These are all the silver neck pieces. My collection, this piece from ages and it never goes out of style, and also it never fails to inspire and also to give that bold look to others. So yeah, this is what it is. These kind of style statement neck pieces here, what I'm sharing you is a very versatile pieces which can be worn on crop tops and got that beautiful white stud in the middle of the neck piece. It's a very high quality neck piece, guys. Whenever I wear this, I really feel special. It's a kind of a heavy side and a high quality neck piece. Another pair I'm gonna show you is this, which again I've got from Lovisa store. It can be paired with so many outfits, guys, like the crop tops, like flowy maxi dresses, kurtis, and even beautiful lehengas and all that, and you can create a beautiful bohemian look with this. It's kind of a neck piece, which is having a broader width that can be worn either on the western wear and also the Indian wear, and create a fusion look with this one. Type of neck piece, you can style it like a choker, or you can just lower it a little bit and style it as a neck piece. If you're showing your shoulders and you're wearing something which is just a thin strap dress and which gives a lot of space over here, you can always accessorize with this kind of a broad designs pieces. It never goes out of style and it really looks very unique and amazing. Which is a long one where you can style it in so many ways, guys, and this has got nice mirror look in the middle of the design there, and long piece where you can really style it with nice saris, kurtis, and you can also create a very versatile bohemian look. And the mirror look in this piece shows off that nice the look in it. Coin piece, especially these coins look so good, guys. Look at it. It's a long piece again. It can be worn either on kurtis, saris, and also on the western wear as well. Mainly suitable to create that beautiful bohemian look. So I'm gonna say bohemian a lot in this video, so bear with me. As soon as I see the silver jewelry, it just comes off in my mind. And this is a coin piece which again I got from Lovisa store. It's a beautiful store over here in Sydney. If anybody has not visited yet, you can just go, and there will be a lot of sales all year around. Best to buy when they are in bargain. So I just don't like to spend for the full price. Always I shop in bargain items. So these are the ones which never goes out of style, and the coin look is so good, guys. So the coin pieces there, wherever you shop for the oxidized jewelry, look at the coin neck pieces. Like I've seen a lot of coin chokers as well. They look amazing. This is one of the piece which is designed in the same way but in longer version. So just see how it goes with you. This is one of my favorite as well. It can be worn on so many ways, guys. Let me wear it. Why not? So a bold oxidized neck pieces with white t-shirt and toned denim pants. It looks great way of combining Indian with the western style here. If you're looking to nail the boho chic trend, this multi-layered piece here must have for everyone. Wear it for the evening out or for the festives or for the evening look. So this is how it is being paired. Yeah, every time you don't feel like styling with a lot of heavy jewelry pieces like that, what I have showed you now, always choose something which is having one piece here like a pendant and rest of all it is like a chain. It's a very simple design, guys, but yet it looks so gorgeous. It has got that nice mirror work on it. I love the silver jewelry which has got the mirror work. A long chunky oxidized necklaces with the pendant. It can be paired with short Indian kurtis or dhoti pants. This looks extra edgy and it is comfortable style for everyone. And there's a lot of what do you call this? Is it beads, I think? Yeah, so you can pair it with so many pieces. Kind of a jewelry even for the office as well. So casual Fridays, you can always dress it up with this kind of a very simple jewelry with a nice pendant on it. Very unique and versatile. It brings out outfit so much ooze of confidence, and also it gives that extra punch to your outfit as well and gives a nice twist. So now let's talk about earrings. Beautiful pair of earrings which I got from Amazon as well. Look at it, how cute it is, and there are a lot of chain design with the beads goes on here, and I love the turquoise color in it, and the blue color just pops up so much. And yeah, this is a beautiful silver jewelry as well. And these are the ones which I got it in Commercial Street, Bangalore, and this is for 450 rupees. And look at it, the colors are amazing. Look at how beautiful it is, and the shade is like a pitch silver, and lot of nice turquoise and orange and green stones put to this one, and I really like how beautiful this looks like. So here is another pair of earring, guys. Look at it, how beautiful it is. I love the way how the hoop is and with the jhumkas, and it has got 2 jhumkas. I really love the design. I got this from Commercial Street, and I think it was for around 400 rupees. Yeah, and this can be worn on Indian white salwar. My god, it looks so gorgeous with that, and even you can combine these things with so many Indo-Western outfits. I love the way the beads are hanging, and also the jhumkas looks lovely. I have got this bracelet here. It's a long time worn. There are the 2 chains down there. I just put it in this way because I love how it shows the details when I put it in this way, or else if you want to try it in simple way, always you can just do that. And I just want to be a little bit extra, so this is the one what I love to wear, and it looks amazing, isn't it? Of this neck piece, and this is also one from Lovisa. It has got that nice detail of white stones, nice pair of dangling silver earrings with a coin detail given to it, pieces which dangles and gives that nice sound when we walk around, and it's tangled completely now. You wear and show you, but right now I'm just gonna talk to you about how this beautiful jhumkas look when you wear this. It has got that layered jhumka design in it, and I love how it sounds as well. And this is a long beautiful detailed jhumkas with the layered finish in it. This is also, I got it from Amazon. So guys, jhumka earrings with printed saris are nothing else but a wow look to wear. And here is one more bracelet of coins. I love the detail which always shows off with the coin ones. I'll take this out and show you, and this is how it looks. Yeah, I love this bracelet because it hangs like this, and it gives that amazing feel to your wrist. This simple and elegant design, and this is kind of little bit extra stuff. I feel I really use it when when I want to style it some ways like that. Finger ring which I got from Commercial Street as well. This has got that beautiful black stone, and oxidized rings and bangles paired with the floral long dresses is just perfect. Which can be worn beautifully. And so the chain trends are going on right now too much, so I just thought to buy this. This has been I think a purchase from an year for me, and I love this pattern, like how it covers the whole leg. I just style it like a choker, or I can just leave it little bit lower side, and I can just style it in so many different ways, guys. And this looks amazing on western wear, as well as this kind of a jewelry underneath the collar as well. It gives a really nice style statement look to your outfit. And these kind of pieces, whatever I've shown, it never goes out of style. The last piece what I'm going to show you, it's a very traditional kind of a tribal kind of a jewelry. Looks amazing under the shirt, and just open up 2 to 3 buttons at the top there, and you are good to go to make a nice tight statement piece. These are the pieces, guys. I just love it and have it in my collection, and hope you like this video. I'll be making more fun videos like this. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe button, and also share this video as much as you can, and give a like as well. Subscribe, and see you in my next video. Bye.